Hey everybody, welcome back to Vindex Engineering. In today's episode we're going to go through and we're going to take these old 862 LS heads and we're going to go through and we're going to lap the valves on them. So stay tuned. So here we have the 862 aluminum heads that came on our 5.3 LS. And we're going to go through and we're going to lap the valves on it, which basically will clean up this groove and it's going to match it up with the valve that goes in that cylinder. So we're going to take our 4 intake valves and our 4 exhaust valves. We're going to get these set aside over here. We're going to get our trusty Permatex valve grinding compound. Now in the previous work that we've done on these is we stuck these in our ultrasonic cleaner, as you'll see in this episode here where we talk about the ultrasonic cleaner, and we went through and cleaned all the gunk that was off these as the best as we could. So now we're going to go through and just match up that seal, so where the valve seals on here and where it seals on here, we'll have a nice good clean fit. To do that, we need some valve grinding compound. We'll see how much this actually takes here. And all we're doing is we're just applying this to the edge of the valve right here. Just a little bit. Oh, wow, that came out a lot more than I was expecting. Might as well do the exhaust since it squirted out so much as it was. Set that one right there for right now. So once you have your valve grinding compound on your valve, then you can go through and slide it in. Hook up our trusty drill to this. Take that up there. And after we have that, then we can pull this out. We want to clean up the valve and clean up the head. Grab a clean towel to wipe this off with. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Make sure we clean this out too. Get that all nice and cleaned out. All right, just one down. Quite a few left to go. going to do the exhaust valve in the same manner that we did the intake valve. Hook the drill back up here. Through. Clean this one up. Much better, much better. Oh, that sounds so much better. So much better. All right. So we're gonna make sure that we put these back in order. That way we don't lose track of which one came out of which ones that we matted it up to. All right, so now we have our next intake one that we're gonna do. So get some more of this valve grinding compound. And might as well do the exhaust one while we're at it. Get them both ready to go. Take you in a little bit closer on this one so you can see the before. And then you can see how that one looks, the after. It's smooth all around it, whereas this one's all super shiny, pitted. That one's really bad. So it'll be interesting to see how this turns out once that's all done. Alright, so now the reveal we've all been waiting for. Clean these last couple out. And then you guys will be able to see the before and the after. Alright, so here we are. Here is the finished afterwards. Remember, this one was the one that was really bad. That actually looks pretty decent. Alright, so I'm going to go through and I'm going to start getting this one ready, and then I'm going to do the other one, and then we'll start assembling them. Enjoy! Alright, so thanks everybody for watching this video. It was just kind of a short video of me going through and getting the valves all ground down. So if you want, feel free to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. In the upcoming videos, we're going to go through and we're going to get the springs put on the heads, get these all built. And then we're going to go through and we're going to do some more work on the engine, go to do the bearings. We're going to check for the clearances on the bearing for the main bearings. We're going to go through and get the pistons put in. We're going to go through and gap the rings, make sure all that stuff's all good. We're going to start building this motor and get it all put together. So stay tuned.